guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, then welcome. In this week's video, I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial based on this eye makeup look right here. This is my black smoky eye makeup look. But before we get into the tutorial itself, make sure, if you're not already, to follow all of my social media. I have that all listed right here for you guys, so you can head over and follow me on all my social media platforms. Also, head over to my website, which is just right here, shaunaemily.com, for my blog posts that I write on all things beauty, lifestyle, fashion, travel, etc. All that stuff. But if you guys want to see how I created this black smoky eye, then let's get going. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is take my Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the color Fair Beige, and I'm going to use that just to set my eyelids. Just put a couple dots on each eyelid here. And then I'm just going to use my fingers to blend that out. The translucent powder I'm using is this one by NYX. This is their HD Studio Photogenic Finishing Powder. You guys would have seen this in lots of my previous videos. I'm just going to take this brush here from Real Techniques. This is their contour brush, just to put the powder all over my eyelids. To set that. Now I'm patting it on so I'm not swiping. Because this is a black smoky eye, I have not done my foundation or anything yet because there's probably going to be some fallout. So we're going to go ahead and start the eye makeup now, and then I'll finish the face afterwards. For this eye look, I am using, as I have for many videos before this one, my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collaboration palette. I love this palette. I have gotten so much use out of this palette. Just with this Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, I'm going to go into this color right here, which is Silk Cream. And this is just the perfect transition color for this eye look that I'm doing. Tap off the excess, and let's go right into the crease and start buffing that out. And just using my Real Techniques accent brush, which is just this tiny flat dome shaped brush, I'm going to be using this color right here, which is called Beam, and I'm just going to be blending that out on my brow bone. This will serve as my brow bone highlight. Next up, I just want to deepen the crease a bit, and I'm going to go into this color right underneath Silk Cream, which is called Pooter. And I'm going to be using that on this brush here. This is my Still Spot Essentials Smudger brush. So it is a nice blending brush with some shorter bristles, but will be perfect for getting more concentrated in the actual crease itself. Now I'm not going to bring it up as high as I did with Silk Cream. I want to keep it, like I said, more concentrated in the crease itself. So let's go ahead and do that. Then I'm just going back into my Deluxe Crease Brush, not picking up any more of the Silk Cream eyeshadow, just using whatever is on the brush and just blending those two colors together. Now, seeing as this is going to be a black smoky eye, the purpose of having these colors in the crease as my transition colors are just to serve as a real good base to help blend out the black eyeshadow. If I was to go right in with my black eyeshadow, it wouldn't really blend as well out just into the eyelid and what I had prepped it with. So with these colors in my crease as my transition colors will really help to fade out and get that gradient with the black and really blend it out nicely and seamlessly. To use as my eyeshadow base, I am going to be using this NYX liquid lipstick. This is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color Alien. So it is their black liquid lipstick. So I'm just going to be using that as my eyeshadow base. I'm going to be using this number 7 brush from Illuminate Cosmetics, and it is just a shorter bristled pencil brush, and I'm just going to be buffing out the edges of this liquid lipstick just so it's not so harsh of a line. And it's okay if it's messy because we will be cleaning it up. Next up, I'm going to be taking the black eyeshadow in this palette right here, which is called Abyss. And I'm just using this on this flat shader brush from Illuminate Cosmetics. This one, the number has worn off of it. So as always, I will link the brush set itself down below in the description box. But I'm going to go ahead and pick up this color here, Abyss, and just pack that on top of the Alien liquid lipstick I just applied. Just a little bit at a time, because we don't want to go full on with a bunch of eyeshadow and then have it be out of hand and not be able to fix it up. So I'm just going to pack this on top of the liquid lipstick that we already applied, and then we'll blend it out. And the reason that I put the liquid lipstick color underneath was so that we could get the darkest black that we could. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with my deluxe crease brush from Real Techniques, pick up some of that silk cream color that we used initially in the crease, and just start buffing out the black and blending it out. And then gonna go back in with some of the powder color and do the exact same thing. Going back in with the brush that I used the Abyss color on, I'm just going to take a tiny bit right on the tip of the brush, just a very light amount, and start buffing it into the crease area to really blend it out. Basically what you do is just keep going back and forth between the two transition colors and the black color just to get the ultimate blend look that you're going for. And then I'm just going to go back into this tiny brush from Real Techniques. This is once again their accent brush, just with that beam color, just to clean up the brow highlight and blend out any of the colors that may have come up too high or higher than I originally wanted them. Just grabbing any makeup wipe that you may have, just clean up underneath the eyes. Take away any of the fallout that might have happened. And then you can also clean up the outer corner of your eyes as well. Okay, so I am quickly just going to go off camera, finish the rest of my base, and then we will come back and finish the eye makeup together. Alright, I am back. I have completed my face makeup, so just to continue on with the eye makeup, I'm going in with my Urban Decay 24-Hour Glide On eye pencil in the color Perversion. This is their black color. Now I'm just going to be coating my tight line with this up underneath my upper lash line, just to color in the lash line, because you don't want any of the skin color showing through underneath your lashes. I'm just going to curl my lashes now with my Revlon eyelash curlers. The mascara I'm using today is a sample size of Benefit's brand new mascara. This is their Bad Gal Bang mascara, which I am really excited to try out. So let's give that a go. It's got a very flimsy wand to it and a very tapered shaped brush, but with short silicone bristles. So let's see how this turns out. It's super black. I love the color. That is a beautiful mascara. I love how it has separated my lashes and almost lengthened them by the looks of it. And the product just glides on so smoothly. Next up, I'm going to start the under eye makeup. So I'm going to go back into my Jaclyn Hill palette here. Using this number 7 pointed pencil brush from Illuminate Cosmetics that I used earlier, I'm going to just dip into Abyss and pick up a tiny bit of this product and just run it directly under my lower lash line. Trying to just connect it up to the upper lid color a bit. Taking this blending brush from Still Spa Essentials that I used powder on earlier, I'm going to pick that same color up just a tad and blend out the Abyss underneath my eyes. Taking my Urban Decay eyeliner again in black and just coloring in my waterline. And as the name suggests, this literally does just glide on. It is so easy to use. The eyelashes that I will be applying today to complete this look are from Azaredo Cosmetics. They are my absolute favorite ones that they sell, and this is the box here. I have worn them already, so these are the lashes right there. They're super dramatic and very like fluttery and spiky, which I really like. I love a dramatic eyelash, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply those just with my dual lash adhesive as always, and Tarteist lash applicator. While the glue on the lashes are drying, I am going to apply the same mascara, the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, to my lower lash line. Okay, so my lashes are on. You guys can probably hardly even see them because this black smoky eye is so black and dark. But let me just take my bangs down because we don't need those up anymore. I need to get my hair done, guys. Look at how much my roots have grown out. But changes are coming for my hair. So to finish off this makeup look, as always, we are going to do the lips. I am going to line my lips using Soar Lip Pencil from MAC Cosmetics. So let's go ahead and do that. I feel like I say that too much. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and do that. The lipstick I am using is by Bite Beauty, and this is their multi-stick in the color Blondie. Now, I picked this up because I have seen Jamie Genevieve use this so many times. It was in her 2017 favorites video, so I thought that I would try it out myself. I will make sure to list Jamie's information down below in the description box as well. If you guys have not checked her out, make sure to do so because she is so cool. She is one of my favorite YouTubers to watch. So definitely head over to her channel, subscribe if you really want to, but let's go ahead and put this lipstick on. This is so smooth to apply. Wow. It literally feels like it just melts onto my lips. It feels so nourishing. Wow, so moisturizing. And I love that it has the magnetic lid. The packaging is so nice. I'm just gonna go and take my finger here and just blend it into the lip liner a little. And there we have it, guys. This is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this black smoky eye tutorial. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know you did like it and I can film more videos similar to this one. Seeing as this is just a black smoky eyed makeup tutorial, I focused this video on the eyes themselves, but the rest of the products I've used on my entire face will all be listed down below in the description box, so you guys can head over there and see what I've used to create this entire makeup look. But that is it for this makeup tutorial for this week's video. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.